Conair 1875 watts power folding hair blower. I've had this dryer for years. It was my first dryer. I've never used it every day, but I do use it once or twice a week. I've never had a problem with it. It has never overheated and shut off or anything. My mom buys top-of-the-line blow dryers and they seem to only last a couple years before they stop working. This one is well made. Plus it is very quiet. If you have to use a dryer while someone else is asleep, this one is less likely to bother anyone. The only bad thing about it is that it doesn't have a diffuser, so it blows out my curls, but then that's why I don't blow dry every day. Gram Jumbo End Papers for Hair Perms 2.5x. TrueWave end papers are a must-have when giving a client a professional perm. These papers are very absorbent and are durable even when wet. If it's not Gram Professional, it's not the best. Hair milk for all hair types, 8.5 ounces. Formulated with pure coconut milk and coconut oil, Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Nourishing Milk is a lightweight hair lotion that essential oils fills and adds incredible softness and shine. Available sizes, 250 ml. Walter Drake Tricut Hairdo Savers. Do save the dew with these soft nylon protectors. Comfy, light-air caps feature elasticized edges to stay in place while you sleep, keeping your hairstyle beautifully intact. Hand wash. Set of 2 includes white and pink. Darling by Terra Girls Self-Hinge Plastic Bow Hair. Very easy to use, they don't fall out of my daughter's hair. I would recommend. Invisibobble Traceless Hair Ring, sparkling clear, so in love. The uneven pressure produced by Invisibobbles allows for the hair to be held strongly in the ponytail without being too tight. Due to its peculiar shape, the Invisibobble provides a strong grip in the hair without pulling individual hairs, nor the scalp. Due to its smooth surface and clean shape, hair doesn't entangle in the Invisibobble as easily as it does in regular hair ties. The Invisibobble can be worn with every hair type. No matter if curly, straight, thick, or thin. Choose from a selection of colors to suit your look. Oiskateen Cosmetology Manikin training head with Indian. Arrived promptly and has provided a lot of entertainment for a 13-year-old practicing new braids and hairstyles. VitaSense Hemp Organic Hair Mask Treatment. Treat your hair on the surface and from within using the unique hemp oil hair mask. This special formula uses hemp's rich supply of fatty acids, vitamins, and proteins, to revive lifeless hair, giving it a fully body and healthy shine. All you have to do is apply the mask from the roots to the hair ends, and massage the scalp. After 15 to 30 minutes, simply shampoo and condition hair as usual. Ingredients: organic hemp oil, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, cetearyl alcohol, peg 40 castor oil, steariconium chloride, peppermint essential oil, phenoxyethanol, hydrolyzed wheat protein, panthenol, caprylic capric triglyceride, glycerin, limnanthes alba seed oil. Sandy Store Christmas Ornaments Cute Bow Knot Hairpin Headdress Gift. This bow matches my daughter's Christmas outfit perfectly. The ribbons used are very durable and such a cute pattern. This bow is sturdy and very well made. It will last through many wears and playtime. When I first opened this package, I noticed the beautiful colors of this bow. It's a great size for my 2-year-old. It's not too small or overly large. This was packaged properly so that it arrived in great condition. I received this at a discount in exchange for my honest review, and I am very pleased with the quality of this item.